What's up, guys? Mark here from VIP Shop Management. There's a new option. It's called Device Settings that has been added. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Just log in right here. We added it under General Settings right here. So if you go General Settings, and then there's Invoice Settings, but there's Device Settings. Device Settings, you're gonna have the first one's called Receive Data. What does that mean? If you have multiple computers, you should only have one computer to receive data. That why is that? Because if two computers are receiving data at the same time, imagine like multiple phones are receiving text message at the same time. It doesn't really matter because it's just a text message. But when we talking about receiving data for authorization, scheduling, and online payments at the same time, and again, this could happen once in a while, it will cause problems. So what I need from you, if you have multiple computers, go to right here, just leave it by default is obviously receive data is set to yes. Go to your settings on the other computer, general settings, device settings, and turn this one off. That way one computer will receive data and the other computers will still share notifications, will still see text messages, but will not receive data regarding scheduling, estimate, authorization, and online payment. Just because they're not receiving data, like I said, that doesn't mean they're not gonna see the updates for the authorization, the estimates, and online payments. Why? Because there is notifications that shared between all computers at all time, regardless. So, a tablet right here, paired and unpaired, is right here now in the cache drawer. This we're gonna be building this. Device settings, these settings only apply for that device. So when you say receive data, that mean again it's not gonna be applied to the second device, only on this device. Anyway, that's it's very important. That's something that we encountered, especially we've seen that happening with where customers have like 6 and 7 computers that run VIP shop management. Until next time, thanks for watching.